Hey everyone, I'm back again with another letter of the day video. So if you're watching this video, you did the letter F online, and then you did the letter G at school with me in KB, and now today your letter of the day is the letter H. Okay. Now we have capital H, we have lowercase h. I don't think H is going to be that tricky of a letter for us today, but we're still going to go through all of our jobs, and you're going to be an expert at working with the letter H by the time this video is over. So we'll talk about what the sound that the letter H makes. We'll look at some words that start with the letter H and the letter H sound, and then we'll practice writing our capital H and lowercase h. So let's talk about the sound first. Doesn't matter if it's capital or if it's lowercase. The letter H is going to make the sound. Can you make the sound for me? Very good. Just like the letter F, the letter H sound does not use our voice, we just use our breath. Okay? So we don't want to say huh, we just want to say, let's make it 3 times in a row. Say, very good. Okay, now we're going to take that sound and we're going to take a look at 12 words that start with that sound. Okay? Okay, the first word we're going to look at that starts with H is the word hamburger. Say hamburger. You can hear the letter H saying at the beginning of hamburger. All right, let's take a look at another word. Here's the word hand. Can you say hand? Very good. Once again, here's our H, and it is saying, oh, this is something we are using a lot of lately, and it still has that word hand in it at the beginning, but this is hand sanitizer. Can you say hand sanitizer? This is a tool that we've been using a lot to keep ourselves safe and clean. Here's the word hay bale. The first part, hay, starts with Can you say hay? Very good. Hay starts with the letter H and the sound. Here we have a heart. Can you say heart? Heart starts with Here is a helmet. Go ahead and say helmet. Yep. Helmet starts with the letter H and the sound. Okay, this is not a chicken. Well, it is, but the word we're going to use is the word hen. Say hen. Remember, we don't want to say chicken for this word because we know we're using all letter H words right now, and chicken does not start with that sound. But the word hen does. Here's one of our shapes we've talked about a little bit in KB. This is a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Very good. Hexagon starts with and the letter H. Ooh, here's a big long word for this animal. This is a hippopotamus. Please say hippopotamus. Very good. Hippopotamus starts with that sound. Here we go. We've got hive. Say hive. Hive. Good. That H sound is right at the beginning. All right, here we have a horseshoe. Say horseshoe. Very good. And house. House. Hey, here's all 12 words. Let's take a look at them again. Notice it doesn't matter if it's capital H or lowercase h at the beginning. That H is going to say, please say them after I say each word. Hamburger. Hand. Hand sanitizer. Hay bale. Heart. Helmet. Hen. Hexagon. hippopotamus, hive, horseshoe, house. All 12 of these words start with our sound. Now, our last job with our letter H together is going to be to go to the big board, and I'm going to show you the right way to write the capital H and lowercase h. Okay, welcome to the big board. Let's talk about capital H and lowercase h and how we're going to write them in KB. Okay? Now, anytime we're writing and we hear the sound, that means we need to make an H. If we're going to make a capital H, watch what I do. I start at the top and I make a line down. Then I'm going to go and make the other line down a little bit across from it. So I have two straight lines down that aren't too far apart. And then I'm going to go in the middle and I'm going to make my line across. Okay? So, line down. Don't go too far. Make another line down. And then connect them with one single line in the middle. Watch how I do it a little bit faster. Okay, I don't think you're going to have any problems with uppercase capital H, but please make sure your H's don't look like this. Okay, we don't want to have them very far apart with a line in the middle. I'm going to put an X through this because we do not want that. Okay, try to make your H's just like my first three capital H's. Okay, now let's talk about our lowercase h. Just like when we did F the other day, our lowercase h is one of our tall lowercase letters. So it is going to touch the top and the bottom line on your papers. When I make a lowercase h, I make a straight line down that touches the top and the bottom. I'm going to pick my pencil up. I'm going to find the middle, and I'm going to make one loop down to the bottom that touches the bottom line. Okay, watch me do it a little faster. Down, pick up, go to the middle, and make a loop around to the bottom. Okay, one more. There you go. There's three lowercase h's in a row. So when you practice your capital H's, try to make them look just like this. Make sure they're not too far spread far apart or too big. And when we make our lowercase h's, make sure they touch the top and the bottom because they are a tall lowercase letter. Okay? And try to make them just like this. So we learned all about capital H, lowercase h. We know the sound that the letter H makes is we talked about how we write our H's the correct way. And now all you have to do is practice on your own. Way to go, KB. You're doing an awesome job. Keep it up.